Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. Now we are discussing about organizing a virtual data room. A VDR for due diligence is crucial to ensure a smooth and efficient process. Here are some tips to help you effectively organize your VDR. Define your folder structure. Establish a logical and intuitive folder structure that signs with financial documents, legal agreements, contracts, intellectual property, operational information, and other relevant sections specific to industry or transaction. Create subfolders. Within each main folder, create subfolders to further organize the documents. For example, within the financial documents, you can have subfolders for financial statement, tax records, budget, and forecast. Use consistent naming convention. Adopt a consistent naming convention for your files to ensure easy in identified. Provide a clear index or summary. Create an index or summary document that outlines the content of each folder and subfolder. This will serve as a guide for participants. Set operators permission, use version control, implement robust search feature, maintain document security, regularly review and update, conduct here you can see conduct regular review of your VDR to ensure it remains organized and up to date. Remove an outdated provider user supporter. Offer clear instruction and user supports for participant accessing the VDR. Provide contact information for any question or technical issues they may encounter. By following the guideline, effectively organized virtual data room. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you will see next video.